Is your Samsung TV stubbornly refusing to switch on, leaving you in the dark? First, let's tackle the most common culprit, the power connection. Gently but firmly check that the power cord is fully plugged into the back of your Samsung TV. Sometimes, a slight jiggle can resettle a loose connection. Next, follow that cord to the wall outlet and make sure it's securely plugged in there as well. Now, let's perform a power cycle, also known as a soft reset, with the TV unplugged from the wall. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This helps discharge any residual power that might be causing a glitch. After holding the power button, keep the TV unplugged for at least another minute. This gives it ample time to fully reset. Then, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Now, grab your Samsung TV remote and try turning it on again. Press the power button firmly and give it a moment to respond. If your TV powers on, fantastic. If not, let's try a different outlet to rule out a faulty wall socket. Unplug the TV from the current outlet and plug it into a different one you know is working, perhaps one you've tested with another appliance. Once plugged into the new outlet, try powering your Samsung TV on once more with the remote. If it still doesn't turn on, double-check that the remote's batteries are fresh and correctly inserted. A dead remote can also prevent your TV from powering up. Replace the batteries if they look old, or if you've had them for a while. Finally, try using the physical power button directly on the television itself, just in case the remote is the issue. If none of these steps get your Samsung TV to power on, there might be a more complex internal issue that will require professional assistance or a service technician.